Dear children, good morning. Last class we discussed about molecules. Today we will discuss about atomic structure of an atom. We are doing chapter 4, atomic structure. Earlier Indian philosophers and Greek philosophers told that atom is indivisible. But later on, scientists like Sir J. Thomson, Sir Ernest Rutherford, Niels Bohr, James Chadwick, etc., found that atom can still be divided into further smaller particles called electrons, protons, and neutrons. Electrons small e. Electrons are negatively charged particles discovered by Sir J. Thomson. They carry minus negative charge and their mass is very negligible, 1 by 1837 of hydrogen atom. So mass of electron is considered negligible. So it carries negative minus 1 unit charge and mass is 1 by 1837 of hydrogen atom. Then another particle is proton. Proton is positively charged particle. It carries plus 1 unit charge and its mass is equal to hydrogen atom, that is mass is equal to 1 H atom. This particle was discovered by Goldstein. Then the third particle, neutron, which is electrically neutral, carries 0 charge and its mass is equal to the mass of the proton, that is equal to 1 hydrogen atom. Now these three fundamental subatomic particles constitute an atom. Now the scientists Sir Ernest Rutherford and Niels Bohr gave the model of the atom. An atom consists of a central positively charged core called nucleus, around which there are orbits or called shells denoted by K, L or 1, 2, etc. The nucleus contains neutron and proton and electrons revolve around the nucleus in certain fixed orbits or shells. Just like a solar system, the sun in the center and planets revolve around the sun in fixed orbits. Okay? So this is the model of an atom. So nucleus is positively charged because it contains proton. Okay? Nucleus is positively charged because it contains proton. Now this model of atom is called solar system model of atom. This was discovered by Sir Rutherford and Niels Bohr. Now what is atomic number? Atomic number denoted by Z. It is the number of protons found inside the nucleus of an atom. It is denoted by the letter Z. So Z is equal to P, number of protons. Now here I would like to tell you that every atom is electrically neutral. That is, it carries no electrical charge. Although it contains negatively charged particle called electron and positively charged particles called proton, because number of electron is equal to the number of proton which neutralize each other. So this is atomic number is also equal to number of electron. Now we come to mass number. Mass number is denoted by letter A. It is the sum of the number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus of an atom. So A is equal to P plus N. And we know that number of proton is equal to atomic number. So if we substitute Z here, so number of neutron is mass number minus atomic number. Now what is nuclide symbol? It is the symbol of an element showing mass number as the superscript and atomic number as the subscript on the left hand side. Suppose we have the element X. So this is the nuclide symbol of X. Mass number as superscript and atomic number as subscript. Likewise, you can write the symbols of various nuclide symbols of various elements like chlorine. Mass number is 35, atomic number 17. Hydrogen, mass number 1, atomic number 1. Sodium, mass number 23, atomic number 11. These are the nuclide symbols. From the nuclide symbol, we can find out the number of electrons, protons and neutrons in an atom. Like in chlorine, atomic number is 17, so number of electron is 17, number of proton is 17, and number of neutron will be mass number minus atomic number, that is 35 minus 17 is equal to 18. So likewise we can calculate the number of electrons and protons and neutrons in an atom. Now mass of the particle is measured in the unit called atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit. One atomic mass unit is the mass of one proton. Like mass of proton is 1 AMU and the symbol of atomic mass unit is U. So mass of proton is 1 U. Mass of neutron is equal to the mass of proton, so its mass is also 1 U. So this is about the atomic structure. In this class we will discuss till about here. Okay, thank you.